Hey guys, what's up? So I want to do a quick video about drones and taking them across the ocean. So you're going across, you're going on a vacation, a trip, wherever, and you've never taken a drone before on an airplane. So there was a few things that I read online, and there was a few videos I looked at. One of the things is your drone has to be marked and it has to be registered with the FAA. Otherwise, you might have problems. They might not let you take it on board, etc., etc. So I traveled from one of the biggest, busiest airports in the United States, which is O'Hare, which is based out of Chicago, Illinois. I was going to Aruba, and I was going to spend some time there and wanted to take some aerial footage of the oceans, nature, what have you, stuff like that. So what I have here is a Mavic Pro. This is one of their smaller models. It's not like the latest and greatest, but I mean, if you fold it open here, how's this open again? You can tell I'm a master with this. There we go. So, not that big, right? So the key is you want to mark your drone and make sure that it's labeled. So you have stuff here like your batteries, make sure they're marked. Charger, make sure it's marked. You can mark your drone if you have a skin on it. I would leave it visible. Now I just put this skin on. This was just a plain drone when I went to Aruba, when I went through customs and all that stuff. So this wasn't on, just note that. Make it visible. And I read videos where, you know, the batteries shouldn't be charged all the way. I disregarded that. I fully charged all my batteries and I brought them on board on my carry-on luggage. I would recommend taking it on your carry-on luggage. I don't think they're gonna let you check it in just because of the danger of it being down below. Expansion or pressure, all that. I don't know, science and stuff, you know how that works. So I would say, make sure every single piece of your drone is marked and it has a sticker, and it's I think like $5 or $3 to register to get your unique number, so they know that you own the drone. So if you crash it or something happens, they know how to contact you. Now, going out of the country, leaving the United States for the first time, I took everything out. So I put my drone on, you know, and TSS, they just kind of looked at it and were just like, whatever, didn't care. Now, coming back to United States, I didn't even bother. Like I left it in my carry-on luggage. You know how you're supposed to take laptops out, iPads, like all sorts of electronics and everything. I just left it in my carry-on. I was so lazy and so exhausted. I was just like, whatever, I don't care. And it went through the x-ray, nothing happened. They just like gave me my bag right away. So I think it varies on how busy they are, if they want to do a random check, what else might you have in your bag that looks suspicious. So, you know, there's like I said, there's a few videos, but I wanted to update something current, 2018. You know, we got the summer coming up, spring maybe in some places. Obviously, you know, we had a short spring here in Illinois, so I felt that it might be important because I could probably help a fair amount of people. So that's kind of where we're at. And yeah, so hopefully I helped you guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And you see that thing back there, kind of over there? That's a laptop, so I just got that back from Razer. Overheating issues, Googled it, apparently it's a big thing, so I somehow don't think it's what they say it is. So I checked the RMA status and they're saying it's something else. I don't think it is, so I might do a video on that because I know there's a few people that have Razer products, so that should be interesting. So stay tuned. And for everyone else, I know I got like random stuff and gaming stuff, and you know, a lot of people comment on my car stuff. So, you know, thank you guys for you know, watching my videos and using my Amazon affiliate links. That helps me out. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.